Hi there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case we haven't met before, I'm Anastasia, the founder of All You Can Face, and that's a program which teaches you how to exercise and massage your facial muscles on a daily basis to sculpt your face, lift your face, relax and release tension in your face, and overall glow up because your skin will absolutely radiate from doing facial exercises regularly. Overall, this YouTube channel is about learning more about facial exercises and massages, learning more about skincare, and how to become the best version of yourself. And without further ado, we will talk about facial tools today, and especially about the Jade Roller and the Gua Sha. So I've made already a couple of videos on that topic, but the Jade Roller and the Gua Sha are usually the most popular ones which you see on social media. So I thought I will make a hard-on comparison and what you need to get or what you can maybe save on. So let's go. Before we dive into that topic, let's maybe first understand what these tools actually are and why you could use them in your daily facial exercise or facial massage or skincare routine. Both tools are rooted in traditional Chinese medicine and they were used over thousands and thousands of years. So the fact that they already lasted this long, you absolutely can say they survived the test of time, so to speak. But what were they used for? The Jade Roller used to be used, okay, this word, by the royal family or the dynasty in the Chinese kingdom, so to speak. And this was literally a beauty product, so to speak. And you would glide over your face to release the tension in your face, to glow up your face, to increase blood circulation. And it already looks pretty fancy, and it comes in jade, but also all kinds of different other precious stones. So this was truly a device to enhance lymphatic drainage, to glide over your face, to glide down your neck, to enhance blood circulation and lymphatic drainage. And then we have the Gua Sha. The Gua Sha actually was used in a different manner before. So this is actually a scraping device, and this was used all over the body. So when you, for example, had tension in some areas, or you even experienced a cold or a flu, this was truly a scraping device which you could then like really glide over your skin to get rid of knots, to get rid of adhesions which accumulated over time, to make your energy, your blood flow and lymph flow run smoothly through your body, so you do not experience any stagnation in your body and therefore also inflammation. So this has more health benefits than the Jade Roller itself all over. Both tools, as I said, really are rooted in traditional Chinese medicine. A little bit different story where they are coming from or like why they were used. Nowadays, they're pretty much used in the same manner, and that is to enhance our beautiful faces. And the Jade Roller pretty much claims that you can enhance blood circulation, lymphatic drainage, you can depuff your face when you put this in the freezer and then it's cold and it feels nice gliding over your face. This basically enhances lymphatic drainage. And then we have the Gua Sha, which also does the same. It moves the lymph fluid out of your face, or like gets like all the stagnation out of your face, and therefore you look a little bit more depuffed, you enhance blood circulation, and you look a little bit snatched because all this stuck lymph fluid is gone or a little bit moved out of your face. And this is what it basically claims and does. When using the Jade Roller, you basically need to make sure to always glide toward your ears. Use your fingers and hold the skin firm, and then glide in outward motion gently towards your ears and then down your neck. And why do we do that? Because you have a vital lymph node right here. We do not want to push into the skin and really like just drain everything out. And in terms of the pressure, we want to use actually the heaviness of the stone or of that Jade Roller and do not push into the skin. And it really just feels nice. It centers you and gives you like just like this spa experience at home. While the Gua Sha does similar things, you need to be a little bit more experienced when using that. So I see a lot of people actually using it a little bit wrong when showing tutorials on social media, because they literally put the stone right like this and then scrape down. But when using the Gua Sha, you need to put it as flat as possible onto your face and then glide in outwards motion, and do not place the sharper end onto your face, unless you can maybe use a corner and then gently, also very, very flat onto your face, massage certain acupressure points. That's absolutely fine. So make sure to use this tool correctly. Also in terms of the pressure, we are using it to glide evenly across our face. Use preferably a facial oil or moisturizer to give us a little bit glide and slip. But in terms of pressure, again, we are not pressing into the skin, we are gliding this tool gently in outward motion, just like the Jade Roller, towards our ears and down our necks. And you can use this actually for more purposes, because you can also, if you have like tension in your neck, you can start scraping a little bit, and there you can absolutely use the side, but again, be very gentle. This is already, when it comes to that, it really releases the tension in your face and enhances lymphatic drainage a little bit. There's not much more magic to it. And between us, you can also use a spoon or anything which has a similar shape to that and do the exact same thing. What is my personal favorite, and what in my opinion you should spend your money on? If you want to actually spend money on, because I have a little surprise for you, or a little revelation when it comes to those tools. For me personally, I think the Gua Sha is the winner here, because this looks amazing, feels nice, but is not as effective as the Gua Sha, because the Gua Sha has more shapes and can be used in more versatile ways. So you can, for example, also use it as an acupressure point device. You can scrape also across your body, use it also for lymphatic drainage onto your body. There are also bigger tools out there than this one. And so for me, the ultimate winner is the Gua Sha. But as already said, I wanted to add something to it. Those tools are amazing, and they give you, of course, like this nice feeling. You buy something and you have it in your freezer or on your cabinet, and it looks amazing, and you can glide across your face. Absolutely has its place, and do whatever feels best for you. But honestly, truly, the best tools we already have all at home, and you do not need to buy anything. You just need to understand how to use them. And it's pretty straightforward actually when you know how. And that is your hands. If you're blessed with 2 hands, then this is truly your best tool out there. You can use your knuckles to glide across your face. You can really go into the muscles with more strength and with more sensitivity, because you also understand where the tension is. You get a better connection with your face, skin, and muscles, and therefore also ultimately your hands understand whatever like feels in your face a little bit like funny better. So in my opinion, why not actually learn how to use your hands? Because wherever you are in the world, whenever you are traveling, you do not need to care if this tool falls down. You need to wash it, you need to carry it with you. You literally just wash your hands, wash your face, or do it while you cleanse your face or apply a moisturizer and start massaging your face. So I think, in my opinion, the secret winner in that is really your hands. And we usually think, oh, but I want a fancy tool, or I want like this or that in order to glow up my face. But trust me, most of the things you need to glow up is inside you. It's first of all your mindset, your thoughts, and this sounds a little bit woo-woo, wee-woo, but it's truly like that. Once you start actually accepting how you look, it can only be better from there. You need to understand you are super unique and no one is you, and that is truly your superpower. I truly believe in that. And what facial exercises and massages do for you is literally get the best out of you, like without any tool, without any fancy product, but only with the knowledge and with the facial muscles and a little bit time and dedication. So it takes only 10 minutes. If you're interested in this topic, check out allyoucanface.com, where you can learn more about the technique. And if you never heard of something like this before, actually check out allyoucanface/workshop, where I have a little surprise for you and I introduce you into the world of facial exercises and massages. I show you 5 hacks right off the program which you can implement into your daily routine to enhance your face and skin. And with that being said, I can't wait to see the comments below. If you have any questions in terms of other beauty tools, if I can maybe assess or see what questions you have, I would totally love to implement that into my next videos. So with that being said, I hope you loved the video as much as I loved doing it. And yeah, I hope you subscribe, like this video, and I can't wait to see you next week. Till then, mwah.